Hello, Diana Renee here. Get ready to dive into the world of Dos Lagos Outdoor Shopping Area Date Night Edition. We're about to uncover 4 spectacular spots that are ideal for romantic dates, memorable outings with friends, or enjoyable family gatherings. Join me on this exciting journey and discover the heart of Dos Lagos. Welcome to 15 Theaters at Dos Lagos, where cinema meets luxury. Elevate your movie experience with plush 3-pillow reclining seats, state-of-the-art technology, and gourmet concessions. Because sometimes you don't want to stream. With $5 movies all day Tuesday and after 6 on Sunday, this is perfect for date night, family night, or matinee. I'm here with my buddy, Mr. Bigglesworth, right beside the movie theater at the Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory. Indulge in handcrafted chocolates from velvety truffles, chocolate-dipped marshmallows, and 2 of my favorites, whipped peanut butter dipped in milk chocolate and chocolate-covered strawberries. There's so much here, definitely something for everyone. Welcome to Float State, where tranquility meets health and wellness. The perfect escape for couples or anyone looking to unwind from life's stresses. With their one-day pass or monthly memberships, immerse yourself in the rejuvenating experience of flotation therapy, massage, cryotherapy, infrared sauna, facials, a salt cave, and so much more. Experience not just profound relaxation, but also the lasting health benefits it offers. Float away from the world's worries and into a state of serene harmony. Step into Artist Collective, the ultimate chill spot for creativity and fun. Perfect for a date night, an outing with friends, or family time. They offer kid classes, sip and paint classes, and open paint time. They have a relaxed yet vibrant atmosphere to unleash your inner artist. Whether you're a budding painter or just looking for a unique way to spend the evening, this studio is the place to be. Come, sit, paint, and create lasting memories. As we wrap up our tour of Dos Lagos Date Night Edition, I hope you enjoyed discovering these fantastic spots as much as I love sharing them. Don't miss out on our upcoming destination videos for more hidden gems in Corona. Until next time, keep exploring and creating beautiful memories.